So I started off by getting my pattern together. If you'd like to know how I created this pattern, leave a comment down below. Then grab your bandana and lay that on the table. I used a total of 2 bandanas for this project. So once you've done that, grab your pattern and place that on the bandana fabric. I used the paisley pattern for reference. Once I'd aligned that, I used my pencil to mark out the pattern. Then using my scissors, I cut the pattern out. Then I repeated the same step onto some interfacing so that my bralette would have more body and just a nice finish. You want to repeat the same steps for the other pieces. It's optional if you'd like to do the same for the back. Once that's done, make sure to match up the right sides of the bandana and the right side of the interfacing together. Using your pins, pin together the sides. Then sew the pieces together. Make sure to leave an opening at the bottom of the top so that we can turn it inside out. Then turn the pieces inside out. Now using a pen, push the corners out, so the points out, for a crisper finish. I recommend that you iron after this. You should have something that looks like this. I started off by matching the corners together with my pattern, and then I just cut a straight line down, and you want it to be on its longest length, and you want to keep using the scrap material that we have. Make sure to cut 2 of everything that I'm showing you. And this is where it's gonna go when you put it on. Now attach that piece to the side of your front piece. You can add interfacing if you'd like to the back straps, or you can just sew it on like I'm showing you here. On the one that I'm wearing, I did add interfacing to everything, and you can do the same. It should look like this. So again, with my remainder fabric, I just cut out 2 long pieces, and I also cut out interfacing, and I just repeated the same steps. So cut, interface, sew, then attach. Then using the same method as before, I just attach the straps to the top bit of the top. To make the eyelets, I just folded over my top fabric and I just cut out a square just so that there was a hole. That's where the ribbon will go. Repeat that 6 times. It should look like this. Once you've repeated the steps I've just shown you twice, you should have 2 pieces that look like this. Now using your ribbon, just feed through the ribbon inside the eyelets to piece everything together. And that's literally how I made this bandana top, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a lovely week.